Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable OK Google on this device. So to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and open Google options. Now we have to click here on all services, search, assistant and voice. Now here we have to click on the Google Assistant to open Google Assistant settings. Right here we have to click on the first option, Hey Google and Voice Match, and all we have to do right here is just turn off by clicking this button right here. And that's it. As you can see, OK Google is not working anymore. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!